Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Hurricane Washington is here with a quick Houston weather update today for the 20th day of March 2023. So let's get started. So these are our current, these are lows that we're going to be seeing lows across today's lows across across the entire southern portion of the United States. Here mainly talking about Texas, southeast Texas mainly. Lows as low as 30, between 30 and 35 degrees and along extreme southeast Texas. Here in the Houston area, we'll see lows anywhere from about 38 degrees to 42 degrees. Temperatures farther off west, we'll see temperatures a little bit warmer, in between 40 and 45 degrees. There along the coast, as you can see, it's always warmer along the coast because you got that warm Gulf moisture. There around 49 degrees is the low in Galveston, Texas. Here's the high resolution radar forecast until Wednesday at 7 a.m. So you can see here's its valley. Houston, Galveston, Bay City, Bryan, Jasper, Texas over there. Can see some rain, and this is until Wednesday 7 a.m. You can see here forecast 3, 6, 9, 12, 20, 27. So about tomorrow afternoon, I think, when we could see some showers. That's going to just sort of continue. It's going to be rather, scattered. Nothing really widespread. Just some scattered showers is really all I'm expecting here over the next several days. Weather today. So today's high temperatures today across the entire southeast Texas region. We do see temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Farther southwest, you're going to see temperatures a little bit warmer. Like Wharton, Bay City down here, Columbus, mid upper 50s, maybe even getting into the low 60s. Farther off to the east, near Beaumont and Jasper, maybe in the mid 50s, maybe getting as low as 54 degrees there in Beaumont, Texas. Tuesday, it's going to be a little bit warmer, partly cloudy. About 10 to 20% chance of rain, because you can see across the entire region of southeast Texas. Temperatures really anywhere from the upper 60s to low 70s. Farther out west, you do see temperatures getting 70, 72 degrees farther. But generally across the entire area of southeast Texas, we're seeing temperatures relatively the same. Upper 60s to low 70s, partly cloudy throughout the rest of the day. 10 to 20% chance of rain. And that's really when that rain starts to come in. Tuesday night, anywhere from the mid to upper 60s, as low as 64 degrees there in Jasper, as high as 69 degrees there in Bay City. As you can see, relatively partly cloudy through the night. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Tuesday night. Severe weather outlook. So we do have some severe weather developing Thursday up in North Texas, southern Oklahoma. That's going to make its way down as a cold front, moving its way down. Friday, we do see that we do think we could have some strong winds, some pretty strong wind gusts, some thunder and lightning, some heavy rain. But it's going to be relatively quick, so maybe anywhere from half an inch to an inch of rain, I think it's possible. That's going to change. We're going to see how that changes. And depending on how severe this really is, there is a chance of hail. But right now, we just don't know specifically because it is so far out. So this is Friday still. We're going to be closely monitoring that. If there does happen to be a severe weather event of any kind that happens in the southeast Texas area, we will definitely be doing live streams. We'll be doing updates and talking more about it, about what kind of threats could be. But right now, for what we know, we will have a period of very heavy rain. Assume gusts of 45 to 50 miles an hour, maybe as high as 60 miles per hour. And the possibility for hail and tornadoes is going to be there. But that is uncertain right now. We will continue to monitor and give y'all updates depending on what we see with this system. Here's the radar forecast Thursday through Friday. As you can see, that cold front comes through very, very, very quickly. Not a slow mover, very quick mover. And that's really along that line of thunderstorms there where we can really see in those embedded little supercells. So it's a line of embedded supercells, all right? And we could see some, obviously some, thunder and lightning, but bits of hail. We could see pockets of hail. Tornadoes are possible. Heavy rain. And then obviously, because it's coming through, behind it we're going to have those straight line winds directly right behind it as it's coming through. And we could be seeing those winds up to severe status. So severe thunderstorm warnings I do expect to see. Maybe even a tornado watch for this area is not out of the blue. So this is our 7-day forecast. Friday is our red alert day. We'll be watching that. That's the day where we keep seeing that cold front come through. 70% chance of thunderstorms. Probably going to knock it up to 80% closer we get to Friday. But right now we're keeping it around 70% chance. High temperatures. Monday we partly cloudy. Today we do see a high temperature of 56, a low of 39. Tuesday partly cloudy, 10% chance of rain. High of 71, low of 54. Temperatures continuing to warm up. As you go into Wednesday, it's a very warm day here. High of 81, low at 67, 0% chance of rain. Thursday, 10% chance of rain, partly cloudy. High of 84 degrees, low of 68. So those temperatures warm up as you get high pressure off to the east, pumping in warm Gulf moisture into southeast Texas. High humidity values, much higher temperatures. High of 84, low of 68, partly cloudy. And then Friday, that cold front comes through. As you can see, those lows down there, 55. So high of 77, low of 69, 70% chance of thunderstorms. And Saturday, 10% chance of any rain. Mainly going to be mostly sunny that day. A high of 81, low of 55. And Sunday, a 40% chance of rain where we could see another batch of some rain. Maybe some severe weather. We'll see. High of 81, low of 61 degrees. So rainfall accumulation forecast really over the next week, 7 days, anywhere from a quarter to a half an inch of rain. Farther up north, up here, you may get to around 3/4 to an inch of rain. Just depends on how much we get and how fast it moves and how much it really drops, what the rain rates are going to be. Farther up north, you could see upwards of around 1 to 1.5 inch of rain. And then way up north, up into other states, you're getting 2-3 inches of rain where the center of the storm is much more apparent and there's much more moisture involved with it and much more thunderstorm activity. So, how to prepare for severe weather? Here's what we got. So, every day, just really check the forecast regularly to see if you are at risk for any kind of severe weather. And then, listen to the local news or the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration NOAA weather radio to stay informed about any kind of severe weather watches or warnings. Check the weather for Ready Nation for tips on kind of how to prepare and be ready for when severe weather impacts. You can sign up for notifications. Know how your community sends warnings. Some communities have outdoor sirens. Others depend on media or smartphones for alert residents to severe storms. Here in Southeast Texas, we have the way we get notified is through the government. Government sends out a notification from the National Weather Service. And that's how it works. Always have a communication plan. As long as when you have communication with your family and everyone's on the same page, everyone understands what's going on. Everyone knows where everyone's at. So have a family plan. Have a meeting place. Talk about it. Talk about where we're gonna go. Where you're gonna go. If there's a tornado. If hail starts breaking glass. If you're in a car, what you're gonna do in that situation. In that case, try to get underneath the bridge. Usually when it's hailing, it is falling straight down. It takes a lot of wind to get hail to go sideways because it's extremely way denser than water. So, get underneath the bridge if you're in a hailstorm in a car. If you're in a house, get in the most interior room, as many walls between you and the outside as possible. Same with a tornado. Practice your plan. Conduct a family severe thunderstorm drill regularly so everyone knows what to do if damaging wind or large hail is approaching. Make sure that all members of your family know where to go when there is severe thunderstorm warnings are issued. Don't forget pets if time allows. Prepare your home. Keep trees and branches trimmed near your house. You have time before severe weather hits. Secure loose objects, close windows and doors, move any valuable objects inside or under a sturdy structure. Also, help your neighbors. Help your elderly ones. Check on your elderly ones and your neighbors to make sure everyone is doing okay in your community. Encourage your loved ones to prepare for severe thunderstorms. And obviously, take CPR training. So if someone is hurt and they are knocked out, you can practice. You could do CPR on someone if someone is knocked out. All right. Support us. Follow us at Hurricane Watch 8 on Twitter. Obviously, subscribe to us at Hurricane Watch Team on YouTube. And just up for $1 a month, You can support us for only $1 a month on Patreon. Patreon.com/Hurricane Watch Team. So that has been it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Hurricane Watch Team, your source for cyclone information. We will continue to give updates on any tropical weather or severe weather that impacts your daily life. Thanks for watching. Peace out.